Hi, I'm Dr. Arun Panda. I'm a facial plastic and hair restoration surgeon and I practice in Mumbai, body sculpt aesthetics. So if you are having severe hair loss or you're looking to have a PRP session done or a PRP therapy done, this is the right place, and in this video I'm going to give you all the informations about PRP therapy and how it is done and what are the results and what are the side effects and what are the advantages of PRP therapy. I'm going to explain you in this. So basically, if you're losing hair or you're suffering from something called as androgenetic alopecia, wherein this front part of your scalp we start shedding off a lot of hair, and it is because of the genetics, genes which is from your parents, plus a combination with hormone therapy which is called the testosterone and 5-DHT, you start losing hair and hair starts falling and you start becoming more and more bald. So there is a way, it's a non-surgical modality called PRP therapy. Of course, it is in combination with certain medications and certain procedures. We can arrest the hair fall, we can stop the hair fall, and we can reverse the cycle of hair loss. The whole treatment is called PRP therapy. And if you are considering to have a PRP therapy, please do not skip this video. You're going to listen the whole video so that you can get all the information. So what exactly is PRP therapy? So platelet-rich plasma therapy or the PRP therapy consists of concentrating the platelets. So platelets is a component of your blood which we normally take from your blood and concentrate it almost 6 to 7 times. And these platelets have got a rich amount of growth factors. So these growth factors, what they do is once they go to the scalp where you're losing hair, that acts on the roots of the hair and that causes activation of the hair root and that causes reversal of the hair loss and reversal of the process of thinning. So what does the PRP therapy do? Once it is injected back into the scalp, it reduces the amount of thinning. It causes thickening of the hair roots. It stops the hair fall and it activates the stem cells which are there at the roots of the hair, and that is how it promotes the healing process and promotes the hair regrowth. So how do we do it? So every clinic has its own protocol of doing PRP therapy. In our clinic, we follow all the international protocols. So we follow a double centrifuge technique in which we concentrate the whole platelets twice. We centrifuge it once and then we do it second time so that we get an abundant amount of platelets. It's almost like 6 to 7 times of the platelet which we normally get in our blood, which is almost like 12 to 13 lakh units of platelets per cc of blood. So we draw about 80 ml of blood, we centrifuge it once and then we take the platelets again and we double centrifuge it so that we get that kind of a concentration. And this concentrated platelets is rich with growth factors. So once the platelet or the PRP is taken, so we anesthetize the whole scalp. In our clinic, we do not follow the protocols of ice application, we do not use vibrators, we do not use anesthetic gel. We anesthetize the whole thing by something called as a ring block, because PRP therapy, if done without injections, it is very painful. So all of our patients are very comfortable when we have done. It takes a long time. I know it takes about an hour's time to do the whole PRP therapy, but the patient at the end of the treatment is very comfortable. There is no pain during the treatment or after the treatment. It is very important that you get a PRP therapy done only after a ring block, because it is painful done with prilocaine or ice or whatever it is. So we anesthetize it and then we start injecting it, and then we let the patient know that he is not supposed to wash his hair for 24 hours. So what are the complications that can arise with PRP therapy? So PRP is a very safe procedure since it is your own blood, autologous blood, so there is no complications involved in it. The patients are very safe, the patients go home the same day, there is no pain post-operatively. Apart from this mild infection which can happen if the hair is not clean or the scalp is not clean, for that we tell the patients to clean the scalp about 2 days prior, continuously 2 days, and post-operatively 24 hours they are supposed to cleanse the whole scalp. So the chances of infections are very negligible. So that is, I mean, if I would say, there is actually no complications whatsoever with PRP therapy. So what are the advantages of PRP therapy? As I mentioned to you, PRP, once it is done and injected into your scalp, it reverses the whole process of thinning. It improves the thickness of the hair, it reverses the hair fall, it stops the hair fall, and it makes it more denser. So if you are looking for PRP therapy and if you are looking to get some treatment, non-surgical treatment for your hair loss, PRP is the right treatment. Of course, in our experience, we need to combine it with certain medications like minoxidil local application, finasteride, tablets, and we also do microneedling therapy and low level laser therapy along with the PRP treatment to get beautiful results. If you want more information on PRP therapy, please feel free to get in touch with us in our clinic numbers. We'll be more than happy to help you. And if you need to understand anything more apart from PRP therapy for any facial plastic surgical procedure, body contouring procedures, lasers therapy, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you all. Thank you so much, Dr. Arun Panda, facial plastic surgeon, Mumbai.